Hello everyone, how are you all? Uh, is my voice clearly audible to you all? And also my screen is visible clearly to you all? Is it? Please respond to the chat box. Zoom guys and also as well as the YouTube guys. Are you all? Can you voice clear? Can you please respond to the chat box whether my voice is clearly audible to you all and also my screen is visible clearly to you all? Is it or not? Everything is good. Okay. Thank you. Zainvi Rescott. Thank you. Okay, let me okay, chalo. So we'll start now. YouTube guys, hello everyone. Okay. So the thing is, let me introduce myself first. Okay. And myself, Anil Kumar Sahu, and I'm from Odisha, and I've been working since last 7 years in Avanti Fellows. And I am your mathematics mentor, and I'll be teaching you mathematics. Okay. So, and next thing is, everyone knows this is the program taken by JEE Enable, which is JEE Enable 11th Mathematics. JEE Enable program is its name is, and the will continue here in this session how we are continuing the mathematics classes and how you can easily crack the JEE mains or JEE examinations, and also we'll discuss what are the syllabus we'll cover in your 11 portions as per your JEE main syllabus, and also we'll discuss what are the topics. Already AIET 1 is ended na, AIET 1 is completed, right? So in future AIET 2 is coming, right? So AIET, what is AIET? All India enabled test, right? So it is actually the second exam is coming. So what are the syllabus we are going to cover in next classes? Okay, in future classes also. So let's discuss all these things in details. In this sessions, we are going to discuss all these things. Okay. Chalo. Okay. I hope all of you are doing well, and a lot of syllabus already have covered in you by your school also, I hope. So can you tell me what are the topics already covered in your schools? Up to which topic you have completed in your school? Guys? Okay. No problem. So we'll discuss first the what are the JEEs, what is the JEE syllabus, what are the topics or what are the units we'll cover in JEE syllabus, and also we'll do some strategies here also, how we can crack easily or how we can crack JEE examinations, as well as how we can score good percentiles in mathematics, right? So we'll have a small analysis on JEE examinations, right? Okay. Next thing, lastly, we'll discuss the curriculum coverage. So what are the topics or what are the chapters we'll cover and when we'll cover, right? So let's discuss one by one all these things. So JEE main syllabus, first we'll see what are the topics belongs to your 11 portions. All of you can see in your screen also. So first chapter name is Fundamental of Mathematics. Already you have given one examinations also on this topic. Am I correct? Yes or no? So AIT 1 was totally based on the first chapter, that is Fundamentals of Mathematics. And what is the importance of this topic? That is important. What is the importance of this topic? This topic is very much helpful in chemistry as well as in your physics paper. Is it or not? When you will use small calculus, right, like differentiation, integrations, application of derivative, area under the curve, definite integration. So all these concepts, all these small calculations you are using in your chemistry and physics calculations, right? Calculus. Okay. So that's why this chapter is very much important for your JEE mains as well as board perspective. Okay, that's all. And what are the other things we need to study from the fundamentals of mathematics? That is important. What is the important things we'll cover in this chapter? That is, we'll see logarithmic calculation. So how we can calculate the logarithmic functions, what is the domain, what is the codomain, what is the range of logarithmic function, what is logarithmic functions, all these things, yes or no? How we can solve inequalities, right? How we can differentiate very small functions, how we can integrate, how we can what you can say, how we can find the area under a curve. All these things we will cover the under the fundamentals of mathematics, right? So in the first chapters already you have covered all these things, right? Okay, next thing is coming, that is set, relation and function. In 11th portions there is a topic that is set, relation and functions. In your school I hope already you have covered all this topic, yes or no? Set, relations and functions already you have covered. And also from the next class we'll go through the functions, and basically we'll go through the functions and we'll try to cover some standard functions, or we'll solve some questions on functions also, right? This is the second topic. Okay, trigonometry, this is most important topic. These two topics are very much important topics in JEE as well as in your board examinations, board syllabus, because functions are very, you can take any topic in class 11th or in class 12th, right? You can take any topic and you will see one function, right? How we can draw the graph of functions, you will learn here also, right? So 90% of 90% portion of this function part is in your class 12 syllabus, right? But in class 11 syllabus you are having some standard functions, that's all, and definition of functions, right? But in class 12 you will go through this topic in very deep, is it or not? Yes. So that's why, and for calculus set, relation, function is very important topic. Calculus means, in calculus, continuity, limit, continuity, differentiability, integration, application of derivative, application of integration, all these topics, differential equation, right? All these topics already almost all you know. In 12 syllabus 50% of the syllabus is going on calculus, right? So if you cover this chapter very fluently or very thoroughly, then you can, it is easy to study the calculus also, right? And trigonometry, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry, I hope all of you have covered in your school also, right? But in JEE syllabus few more applications or few more level questions are there, right? So trigonometry is a topic which will be used in maximum topics, because trigonometry functions, in each topic you will get trigonometry functions. Okay, in functions also you will get trigonometry functions, how we can find the domain, range of trigonometry functions, all these things you will get, right? In calculations, how we can differentiate trigonometry functions, right? How you can integrate trigonometry functions. Okay, in differential equations also you will get trigonometry functions. Okay, in calculus everywhere you will get trigonometry functions. Okay, and also in some other topics also, like in algebra also you will get trigonometry functions, and also in coordinate geometry and conic section also you will get trigonometry, right? So that's why this chapter is very important. So these two topics, remember, these two topics are very basic topics, and these are very important topics for your JEE and as well as every syllabus, right? So these are two important topics, remember. Okay, quadratic equation. Next, we are coming to quadratic equations. Okay, quadratic equations and complex number. These two topics are actually are coming together in JEE syllabus, right? Quadratic equations. In quadratic equations, in your textbook, there is a very few things are given, but in JEE syllabus, you will get all the concepts of quadratic equations in JEE syllabus, right? And complex number is a very big topic in JEE syllabus, right? So quadratic equation, from quadratic equations and complex number also you will get 2 questions in JEE mains examinations. Okay, we'll go through that portion, like how the questions are coming from the syllabus in JEE examinations. Next topic is coming permutation and combination and binomial theorem, sequence and series, straight line. Okay, so these things, quadratic equation, remember quadratic equation, complex number, permutation combination, binomial theorem, sequence and series. These these five topics are coming under algebra. It's a unit, very big unit. Okay, right? Okay, so permutation combination is very important topic. Okay, and it is actually easy topic, in which topics you can attend the questions in each examination, in each competitive examination. So you can click the questions easily in JEE examinations from permutation and combination, right? And from straight line is coordinate geometry, and circle is there, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. These are 3 conic sections. Okay, 3 conic sections. So actually this portion, this geometry portion has a very big role in JEE syllabus. And from these 5 chapters, circle, straight line, circle, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola, you will get 5 questions in JEE examinations. That's why, in perspective of JEE mains and JEE advanced examinations also, this unit, coordinate geometry and conic section, has a very big role, right? Okay, means you can say 16% of the questions are coming. 16% of the total mathematics syllabus. Okay, 16% of the total mathematics syllabus of the question, 16% questions are coming from this unit only, right? Okay, and statistics. Come to statistics and mathematical reasoning. These 2 topics are very, very, very easy topics, and you will get absolutely 2 questions, right? And which questions you can easily solve in entrance examinations. So in perspective of any entrance examinations where statistics and mathematical reasoning are there, so these 2 topics are very important. Is it? Okay. Similarly, the last one is solution of triangle. At least sometimes you will get 1 questions, not anytime. Sometimes you will get 1 questions in JEE main examinations, right? So let's see what I'm saying. Actually, 11 portions. What are the chapters you are having in 11 syllabus, and what are the chapters you are having in 12 syllabus? They are interlinked to each other. It is important. Remember, it is important. You can't skip any chapter. You can't skip any chapter of 11th, because it will be problematic. It will be problematic in class 12th when you will study class 12 syllabus, right? Okay, है ना? So all the chapters are interlinked to each other. Like already I told you, set, relation, and functions. It is very, 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 very related to the calculus, and it will be very, very useful in calculus, this chapter. Trigonometry as well also. Okay. So simply complex number, it's a topic in class 12. Determinant and matrix will use complex number. Determinants matrix, it's a very big topic in class 12 syllabus. Determinants, in determinant matrix you will get questions by using the complex number concepts, right? Permutation and combinations. Permutation, the concept of permutation and combinations will be used in probability, right? And similarly, these two topics, binomial theorem and sequence, the application of binomial theorem you will get also in 12th syllabus. Sequence series also. All these topics are interlinked in between each other, right? Straight line, coordinate geometry and conic section, coordinate geometry and conic sections, right? They will be used in calculus. The concept of all these chapters will be used in calculus portions. Like in application of derivative, we'll get all, or in differential equations also, you'll get a lot of questions by using the concept of coordinate geometry and conic sections also, right? And mathematical reasoning, it's a special topic. Okay, mathematical reasoning, it's a special topic, and you will get one questions in JEE Main exam, and it's you, right? And statistics is also related to probability, which is in the class 12 syllabus, right? Is that clear, everyone? I hope this is clear to all. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? You can ask. अगर कोई भी कुछ भी डाउट हो तो तुम पूछ सकते हो चैट बॉक्स में, ठीक है? कुछ भी अगर तुम शेयर करना चाहते हो, if you want to share anything, you can share your views, or anything you want to share, you can share with the chat box, right? Let's move to the 12th syllabus as well. We'll not go through deeply in this 12th syllabus, but already I told you all, already I have taken all these chapters name when we are discussing about the 11th syllabus. Functions, inverse trigonometry functions. Okay, functions, inverse trigonometry functions will be your first topic in 12th mathematics. Okay, matrix and determinants, limit, continuity and differential. Okay, you can say, sir, limit is in 11th syllabus in your board, or in your book limit is in 11th syllabus. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, no issues. You can learn the limits in school, no problem. You can go through the NCERT syllabus and you can attend the board examinations in class 11th. But we'll start in JEE examination, JEE syllabus, we'll start limit in class 12. Is it clear? Because limit will be very useful, or very useful in all the calculus portions, right? Like in continuity and differentiability, these two topics are depending upon limit, you can say, right? And also in differentiability, like you can say integration in integrations, in differential equation, everywhere you will get limit, and you will use limit also. Application of derivative. Okay, then indefinite integration, definite integration and its application, differential equation, vector and 3D, vector algebra and 3D. In physics you will learn vector and 3D, three-dimensional geometry. Next, probability. So these are the chapters coming under the JEE Main syllabus. Is that clear, everyone? Guys, is that clear to all? Right. Now we'll go through the unit-wise JEE syllabus. And unit-wise means we'll take interlinked chapters, 3 or 4, 3 or 4 interlinked chapters, and we'll make one unit. Like here, first unit is set relation functions, quadratic equation and complex number, matrix and determinant, permutation, combination, sequence series, binomial theorem and its simple application, integral calculation, integral calculus, limit, continuity, differentiability. Okay, coordinate geometry, differential equation, 3D geometry, vector, trigonometry, statistics, probability, and mathematical algebra. Okay, okay. Here in coordinate geometry you can take conic section. Okay, so algebra में कौन टॉपिक आता है भाई? algebra में जैसे तुम बोल सकते हो यहाँ पे quadratic equation, complex number, matrix determinant, permutation combination, sequence series, binomial theorem, all these chapters coming under algebra. So calculus, we can say integral calculus, limit, continuity, differentiability, these things and differential equations. These three differential calculus, differential equations also, right? And this is the geometry portion. This is the geometry portion, 3D geometry vector. Okay, these are very interlinked chapters, 3D geometry and vectors. Okay, trigonometry, all these things. Okay, so this is all about your JEE main syllabus. Next, now we'll see the important thing. Okay, 11 topic wise what is in JEE mains examination. This is important. Okay, let's see in from which topic, from which chapter, how many questions are coming in JEE mains examinations. Okay, already I told you from 11 portion. This is important because you are in class 11. It is important to know from which chapter of 11 how many questions are coming in JEE mains examinations. Like in the first portion, first section, already I mentioned here coordinate geometry and conic section. Coordinate geometry and conic section, already I told you 5 questions are coming. That means you will get 20 marks if you are attending, or if you are solving, or if you are attending 5 questions from coordinate geometry and conic section correctly, you will get 20 marks. That means from out of the total syllabus, percentage of syllabus, you are getting here 16, almost approximately 16% of the syllabus you are getting. 16% of the total questions you are getting questions from coordinate geometry and conic sections. Why we are discussing all these things in the next slide, we'll discuss why we are discussing all these things. Okay, second thing is complex number and quadratic equation, right? Complex number and quadratic. Dekho, if you are studying, or you are going through the concepts and the problems of coordinate geometry and conic sections in very deeply, according to the JEE mains and advanced syllabus also, you can go through, who is like to, or who has the intention to crack the JEE advanced examinations also. So from coordinate geometry and conic sections, if you are going through all the concepts very deeply, at least you can solve 3 questions. If you are solving 5 questions, it is okay. At least you can solve. If you are very clear about all the concept of coordinate geometry and conic sections, then you can solve at least 3 questions from this chapter, right? Second thing is, second come to the second chapter, that is complex number and quadratic equations. You will get 2 questions from these 2 chapters. At least 1 questions you will solve. Sometimes complex number questions will be like complex questions are coming from complex numbers, but from the quadratic equations, maximum times easy questions are coming. So you can solve 1 questions from both of the chapters. From the 2 questions, at least 1 question will be solved by you. If you are solving 2 questions, it is okay. Very good. Okay. Next is statistics. I'll prefer the very important topic, that is statistics, because 1 question will come from the, surely 1 question you will get from the chapter statistics, and I will give guarantee you can attend, or you can attend the questions correctly in the examinations, and you will get 4 marks from this chapter statistics. That's why this is important, very, very important. Don't skip statistics anyway. Okay, and then come to the portion set relation functions. You will get 1 question from from the 11th and 12th syllabus. Combine both 11th and 12th syllabus from the set relation and functions. You will get 1 question. Okay, permutation combination, you will get 1 question, and it is easy questions, you can solve it, right? Binomial theorem also you will get 1 question. Sequence series you will get 1 question. Trigonometry you will get 1 question. And mathematical reasoning, it is important. Mathematical reasoning, it is important. It's a very easy topic, and you will get 4 marks. Surely you will get 4 marks from this chapter. Okay, so coordinate geometry, you can solve at least 3 questions. Okay, 3. Here you will get surely 1 question, that is statistics 4, and permutation combination 1. That is 5. Mathematical reasoning 1. 6. And quadratic equation and complexion of 1 question 7. Okay, that's all. So if you are solving 7 questions from 11 syllabus, okay, syllabus, it's a very good score. You will get a very good score in JEE Mains examinations. Okay, so don't try to attend all the question randomly, right? So in which questions you are confident in all the examinations, also in the coming AIT examinations, don't attend any questions randomly. In which questions you are confident, you are very much confident, attend that question only. If you are attending 1 and 2 questions only, that is sufficient. In the next examinations, from this examination you will learn in the next examinations what are the mistakes I have done and what I will do for the next examinations, and what are the next chapters I will take, or from those topics I will attend the questions in the next examination. That is important, right? Okay. So in this way, gradually you will increase your scores in examinations, in AIT examinations, also in any examinations, by giving mock tests or by giving demo sessions. है ना, demo sessions or demo examinations also you can say, है ना. So you can score, increase your score, right? So always my suggestion is, how much questions you are confident in, how much questions you are confident. It may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, no problem. But in which questions you are confident, attend those questions only. Without confidence, है ना, don't attend any questions. It's my suggestion, है ना, in my opinion, these things. And I will suggest to do these things in your examinations also. Okay. Next thing is 12 portions. Okay, in 12 portions, these are the topics and these are the number of questions. We'll go through all these things in very deeply in when JEE Mains examinations will come. Before JEE Mains examinations, we'll analyze, we'll have a very detailed analysis on JEE Mains examinations. Okay, so these are the topics of 12 syllabus. These are the number of questions, number of marks, number of weightage. So you can ask, sir, we don't have board exams in 11th examinations. So why we'll go through all these things very deeply? No need to go through all these things. So the important thing is, if you are going through all those chapters in 11th syllabus, what are the chapters you are having in 11th syllabus, it will be very helpful in 12th syllabus for your board examinations, for other competitive examinations also. And also you are getting at most, you are getting approximately 50% syllabus, 50% question of JEE Mains from the 11th syllabus also. You are getting 50% of the question, JEE Mains question syllabus. So you are getting, so 50% from the 11th syllabus you are getting 50% questions, and from the 12th syllabus you are getting 50% questions, right? So that's why my suggestion, don't skip any topic, don't skip any topic, है ना? And some topics I already have mentioned or I already have marked on your screen. So किसी भी हालत में वो टॉपिक को अच्छे से पढ़ लो और छोड़ो ही मत, ठीक है? Is that clear? Right? So 50%, this is important to remember, 50% of the question, JEE Mains questions are coming from 11 portions, and rest of the portions are coming from 12 portions. Right? So that's why 11 syllabus is important, as well as 12 syllabus. So at the time of JEE Mains examinations, you are continuing the 12 syllabus, right? So you have to revise all these topics. If you will go through very thoroughly through all these topics, then it will be easy to revise that time, right? Otherwise it will be difficult. So my suggestion, to don't skip any topic of 11 syllabus also. Clear? Now, how you can easily qualify the JEE Mains examinations? Now we'll visualize. Okay. So here we'll discuss the marks versus percentile. So for how many marks you are getting, how much percentile in your JEE Mains examinations, right? Let's see. These are the examinations: shift 1, shift 2, shift date, and shift some. I think it's analysis of 22 JEE Mains examinations. Okay, so you can see on your screen, these are the dates and these are the shifts. Okay, so for how many marks you are getting, how much percentiles? So come to the last row of the table. Come to the last row of the table, right? When you are scoring in the shift 1 paper, 24th of some month, 24th of the some month, okay, of 22, okay. So if you are scoring 13 marks, that means if you are attending 4 to 5 questions correctly, you are getting 90 percentile in mathematics, right? If you are scoring 13 marks, that means if you are scoring 4 to 5 questions, you are getting 90 percentile in mathematics. Clear? So average, on an average, here in this shift, 22 marks you need to score. You need to score 22 marks for 90 percentile. 19, 20, 19, 20, 14, 18, 15, 18, 20. So mostly we can say, if you are solving in the JEE Mains examination, if you are solving 5 questions correctly from both the syllabus of 11th and 12th, if you are solving 5 questions correctly, you are getting 90 percentile, right? So how easy it is to qualify or to score in JEE Mains examinations, or to get a seat in NIT also, right? You can visualize here also. Clear? Right? So similarly, you can see here, for 15 marks in a shift, who is scoring 15 marks, who is getting 91 percentile. Is that clear? So similarly, if you are scoring above 20 marks, you can say, if you are scoring above 20 marks, like if you are solving 10 questions, if you are solving 10 questions, you can score up to 96, 97 percentile. In mathematics, if you are solving 8 to 10 questions, if you are solving 8 to 10 questions, you can score up to 96, 97 percentile. This is important. So choose the easy topics. Choose the easy topics from both the syllabus for the examinations, entrance examinations. I am telling you, not for the board examinations. So choose the easy topics and choose your favorite topics, and solve a lot of numericals, solve a level questions, and you can score above 99 percentile also easily. So here you can see who is scoring above 65, or approximately who is scoring 65, or below, in between 60 to 65, he is getting 99 percentile. Clear? Right? How it is important. So if you are solving in JEE Mains examinations, if you are solving 15 questions, 13 questions, yeah, you can show 15 questions also. 15 questions. If you are solving 15 questions, at least 15 questions if you are solving, you are getting above 98 percentile. Right? For 99 percentile, you need to solve more questions. So from 11 syllabus, if you are solving 10 questions, and if you are solving 10 questions from 12 syllabus, and if you are solving 20 questions from both the syllabus, then you are getting 80 marks, right? 80 marks. So don't go through the 80 marks, है ना? It's not possible to all of you to score. मतलब ऐसे हम जनरली हम बोल सकते हैं कि सबके साथ, मतलब मेरा ये 80%, 80 स्कोर में कर सकता हूँ, ये कोई गारंटी नहीं है, बट आई विल टारगेट 15 चैप्टर्स, आई विल टारगेट एटलीस्ट 15 चैप्टर्स, and I will try to solve 13 to 15 questions from both the syllabus, and I will try to score above 98 percentile, 98 percentile or nearly equal to 9. You can say what, 99 percentiles also, you know? So that means if you are scoring by solving 5 questions, if you are scoring 90 percentile, you know? So think about how much questions you need to solve correctly to qualify the examinations. You can think in your brain, okay, how it is easy, how is it, you know? Okay, okay. So this is all about your marks versus percentiles, how we can score easily, you know? Choose the easy topics in examination, in the exam for the JEE Mains examination. Choose the easy topics, choose your favorite topics, and try to solve a lot of questions. And very important thing is plan is important. A very solid plan is important. And from today onwards, promise कि daily, regularly, you have to spend, you have to crack the JEE Advanced examination or JEE examinations, mains examinations. So, है ना, regularly per day you need to study, except all your classes, at least 2 hours. You can give at least 2 to 3 hours for JEE Mains or Advanced examinations from today onwards. Regularly, should not skip any day. You know, you will score, or you will qualify the examination. You will get a very good rank in the examinations also, and it's true, right? Let's move. The next thing, that is the curriculum coverage. Okay, so what are the syllabus or what are the chapters we are going to cover in future? We'll discuss those things. Okay. Anyone need to okay, anyone having any doubts? Anyone want to share anything? You can share in the chat box. You can share anything. What are the doubts you are having, or anything you want to share about mathematics? Okay, you can ask in the chat box. Yes, anyone want to ask anything? You can ask. ठीक है, चलो. So next thing is nothing. Okay, chalo. So already this AIT 1 is completed, right? Fundamental of mathematics, and in coming 26th and 27th of August this month, in coming 26th and 27th of this month, the AIT 2 will be conducted, and in AIT 2 the chapters will be coming. That is first chapter, that is fundamentals of mathematics, set relation and function, trigonometry, and quadratic equations. These 4 chapters will be coming in AIT 2, second AIT, All India Enabled Test, second in All India Enabled Test examinations. Okay, this is the syllabus for AIT 2. Remember, fundamentals of mathematics, set relation and function, trigonometry, quadratic equations. Okay, so we don't have time to go through all these chapters thoroughly, but we'll take the crash course of all these chapters and some important portions of all these chapters, and we'll try to cover all these chapters from before your AIT, right? ठीक है. AIT 3, accordingly AIT 3, the third AIT, the syllabus is, that is these 4 chapters with complex number and permutation combination will be added to the syllabus of AIT 3. So in every week there will be a all India enabled test, right, will be conducted also, है ना? So and the syllabus are on your screen. You can take a screenshot of all these syllabus, है ना? AIT 4, adding to all these chapters, binomial theorem is added. Adding to all these chapters, binomial theorem is added, and which will be conducted in the month of October, right? Similarly, for 5th AIT, adding to the 4th syllabus, 4th AIT syllabus, sequence and series, straight line and circle are added. This will be conducted in the month of November, and in the sixth, okay, and in the 6th AIT, adding to the 5th AIT syllabus, conic section and statistics. In conic section, what are the chapters are coming? That is parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Okay, these chapters are coming. Okay, how many total में we have 9 AIT, है ना? These are the syllabus for all the AIT, and for the 8th and 9th AIT we'll have a full syllabus test of 11 syllabus, or we can say mock test of 11 syllabus. Okay, so these are the chapters how we'll cover in the coming months, and how the exams will be conducted. And remember, the chapter test also will be conducted, है ना? Chapter test, after completion of each chapter there will be a chapter test, and you need to give a chapter test also in your in your school also, है ना? And the date and all these things will be declared, don't worry. ठीक है? So anything you need to share about mathematics syllabus, or anything about mathematics you need to know about from me, and you need to share with me. You have any views on JEE examinations, or anything you need to share, you can. ठीक है? जल्दी से बोलो, कोई भी अगर डाउट है तो, कोई भी अगर कुछ भी अगर तुम शेयर करना चाहते हो तो मेरे साथ शेयर कर सकते हो और पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है? I am waiting for your response. Any questions for me? And in the next, okay, in the next class, tomorrow you are having, when you are having classes, when 12 na? 12 p.m. right? At 12 p.m. you are having mathematics class, math class, and in next class we'll discuss how we can solve inequalities, and we'll learn some rules. We'll learn some rules to solve inequality, and the important rule will be Weber method in the next class. We'll discuss all these things. Okay, clear, guys? One thing I want to say, everyone, when we'll continue the class, right? You are also in the class, and also I'll be in the class, right? So in the class, when I'll be teaching, if you are having any doubt, तो पूछ लो भाई, ठीक है ना? आराम से पूछ लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. We are here to solve your doubts in a class. Okay, कोई भी डाउट कॉन्सेप्ट में आ गया, कोई भी डाउट क्वेश्चन में आ गया, तो you can ask easily. You can write your questions in the chat box, for which the class will be interactive, and you will not be feel bored, and also I will not feel bored, है ना? So you will feel also sir is doing something for us. When you are asking, the importance of the class will be filled by you, right? And also when you will ask, I will think कि my students are giving importance to me. If the class will not be interactive, and if you will not ask a single question from the concept which you are studying, then it will be a boring class. Obviously, it will be a boring class. है ना? So I request to all of you, when you are having any doubt in the class, please frankly ask your teacher. Anyone, the teacher may be anyone, कोई भी क्लास में पूछ लो, ठीक है? टीचर को पूछो, टीचर का काम ही होता है ना भाई तुम्हारा डाउट क्लियर करने के लिए, हम लोग है यहाँ इसीलिए, है कि नहीं? ठीक है? सो इट्स ए you can take it as a rule. Please ask your doubts in your classes and be interactive. Anything in your mind, anything is coming in your mind about studies, okay, you can ask your teacher frankly, right? It's your हक, तुम बोल सकते हो ये तुम्हारा हक है भाई कि तुम्हारा डाउट टीचर को पूछना, right? Okay, so in today's session, anything you need to share with me, or anything you are having any doubt, any questions for me, you can ask. We are having 5 more minutes. I'm waiting for you. Done? Chale? So tomorrow we'll meet in the class, or tomorrow we'll be have a math class at 12 p.m. right? And we'll cover the inequalities and how to solve the linear inequalities, also other inequalities, and we'll learn some rules, and we'll learn by how we can use the Weaver method to solve the inequalities. Okay, thank you all. Anything you were asking, beta? Thank you all. JNB, Ahmedabad, you are welcome, mostly welcome. Thank you all. Bye bye. Take care everyone. Chalo, bye bye.